You don't have a Barbie? Huh? In your own? Oh, there's only one eye? How come? Was that Dad? Jerry did.
No, not Danny. No. Just do it bye-bye, Nathan. Just do it bye-bye. When you go bye-bye, you have to do bye-bye.
Who's go bye-bye? Jerry?
Yeah.
What Jerry do?
Do it bye-bye.
Who's best friend of Jerry? Candy? Why you got candy there? Oh, wow. Nice bag. Oh. Oh, nice. Glasses. Is that Air Force glasses? Oh, wow. Hi, Kira. Hey, Chai. Hi, Chai Chai. Uh-oh. You just throw stuff? Okay, bye. Oh, wow. Poor, she cannot come back anymore. That's all her...
It's tomorrow.
Oh, that's all her backpack?
Yeah, true. Wait a minute.
What is that? Wow. Where you going?
Bye-bye.
I like your pants.
Bye.
Oh, that's you. Now you're going to Elsa's house? After you go to Barbie, now you go to Elsa?
Yeah, you will have home. You will have home. I come back tomorrow.
Oh, what happened? Hi, Des. Ha? Marami pa ba tayong kahoy, Mother? Isang oras pa ako dito kay Bibi. Baka pangit sa kanya, everyday siya. Yeah, wag na muna. Oo. Don't go sauna first, okay?
Why?
It's too hot and the smoke. You're still a baby, anak.
I'm not a baby. I'm still a teenage darling.
I know. No, do your hot dog because you haven't done your hot dog.
Papa?
Yeah, later when I go sauna. You wait for me.
To eat in the meal?
Only once a week though.
Oh, Dana, how do you do it?
Lumaricar,
You do poo, Mom.
yesterday you said no.
Actually, yes.
Say hi, Maricar, anak.
Mommy, you do actually yes. One night, a poo.
Okay,
You do poo.
okay, I'll do that.
Hey.
Hi, Jade. I heard the news. Oh, sorry. You survived?